President Ramaphosa calling Senzo Mchunu his political burden to bear. Yo, that line alone opened a whole can of worms, because suddenly people remembered what the president's own spokesperson Vincent Magwenya once said, that the Madlanga Commission did make a finding on Senzo Mchunu but made no recommendation. But here's where things start to smell interesting. If the commission could make a finding on Mchunu, then how is it possible that Brown Mokgotsi and Shadrack Sibiya didn't make the same list? Especially when other individuals, some who still need to return to the commission, did make it onto that list. Even Julius Mkhwanazi, who still has unfinished business with the commission, appeared there. So what's the difference? According to social media analysts and political watchers, the three names missing from the list share one common thread: the CR17 campaign. Shadrack Sibiya's name has allegedly hovered around CR17 discussions, not loudly but quietly in the background. And then there's his reported closeness to Paul O'Sullivan, a figure often rumored to be deeply embedded in high-level political and legal battles, including whispers around Phala Farmgate. And then comes the alleged January 8, 2025 private meeting. Some believe it may have involved these same three figures, if the alleged conversation between the Garfield is anything to go by. Brown Mokgotsi, for his part, didn't break ranks during testimony. No lips, no loose lips, pure loyalty. And in politics, loyalty is really unpaid. Critics urge that, at the very least, questions around possession and sharing of eternal state memos should have triggered a perjury referral, yet nothing came. Meanwhile, Joseph, his name allegedly came up everywhere. Even the commissioners themselves reportedly remarked, this other name just keeps popping up, yet the outcome tells a very different story. So now South Africans are asking the real question: is President Ramaphosa really carrying one political burden, or is it 3 times heavier than we're being told? Is this about law, coincidence, and procedure, or is it about alliances, protection, and political debts quietly being honored? Mzansi, this isn't conspiracy. It's a pattern people are trying to understand. What do you see here? One burden or 3?